Stop by and take a look at the 2020 CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, roof rails, power liftgate, power rear liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, speed control, power moonroof. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.